Yes, people, welcome to a review and comparison between Spocket and Oberlo. So, if you want to know the differences between Spocket and Oberlo, and if you are in the e-com game, you might want to choose one of them. In this video, I'm going to help you. I'm going to tell you some pros, I'm going to tell you some cons, and we're going to give you a quick conclusion. Not too long video, but a very clear pros, cons, and you can choose what's best for your needs. So let's dive into my computer and let's make something clear. Yes, people, welcome to a review and comparison between Spocket and Oberlo. So if you want to know the differences between Spocket and Oberlo, and if you're in the e-com game, you might want to choose one of them. In this video, I'm going to help you. I'm going to tell you some pros, I'm going to tell you some cons, and we're going to give you a quick conclusion. Not too long video, but a very clear pros, cons, and you can choose what's best for your needs. So let's dive into my computer and let's make something clear. Yes. So first we're going to talk about the pros of Oberlo. Well, first is a Shopify integration, and Oberlo is seamlessly integrated with Shopify, one of the world's leading e-commerce platforms. If you're using Shopify, this integration provides a convenient and powerful tool for dropshipping. Well, the second one is product import, and that goes automatically. Oberlo automatically imports products to your store, saving you time and effort in the product listing. This feature streamlines your dropshipping operations, bulking your order processing. Oberlo allows you to process orders in bulk, a time-saving feature that can significantly enhance your efficiency in managing orders. Well, the fourth one is varied pricing tiers. Oberlo offers different pricing tiers to cater to various business needs, making it accessible for both beginners and advanced users. There are some cons of Oberlo, and we're gonna take them in consideration right now. And the first one is exclusive to Shopify, and you maybe already knew this, but Oberlo integration is exclusive to Shopify, limiting its use for users of other e-commerce platforms like WooCommerce or Wix. Limited product vetting. Oberlo does not vet products or suppliers, which mean you need to invest time in evaluating suppliers and product quality independently. The third one is mixed customer support reviews. Some users have reported slow customer support from Oberlo, and it does not offer 24/7 support. Fewer positive reviews is the fourth one. Oberlo tends to have fewer positive reviews compared to other platforms, which could be a concern for users who rely on user feedback. Then now, Spocket. The pros of Spocket. It's a wide platform compatibility. Spocket is not tied to a specific e-commerce platform, making it versatile for use with various online stores, including Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, and many more. Curated supplier network. Spocket offers a curated network of suppliers which can give you more confidence in product quality and supplier reliability. It saves you time, of course, on vetting suppliers. The third one is real-time inventory updates. Spocket provides real-time inventory updates, helping you avoid selling out-of-stock products and providing a better customer experience. 24/7 customer support. Spocket offers 24/7 customer support, ensuring you can get assistance when you need it, regardless of your time zone, and that's very important. There are some cons of Spocket. There is a monthly cost, and that's the first one. Spocket is a paid service, and while it offers a free plan, more advanced features are available in the paid plans. Some users may find the cost a disadvantage, especially when you're just starting. The learning curve is the second one. While Spocket offers a curated supplier network, navigating and utilizing the platform may require a learning curve, particularly for new users. Limit product selection. The number of products available on Spocket might be more limited compared to other platforms, which can impact the range of products you can offer in your store. The fourth and the last one is not exclusive to dropshipping. Spocket serves a broader market, including not only dropshippers but also traditional businesses, which may impact the specificity of its features for dropshipping. Well, in summary, Oberlo is closely integrated with Shopify, offering a streamlined experience for Shopify users. Spocket, on the other hand, provides a wider platform compatibility and a curated supplier network. The choice between the two will depend on your specific business needs and the e-commerce platform you use. So this was it. Some cons, some pros of Spocket and Oberlo. I hope you can make a choice between them. Leave in the comments if you have any experience with one of those, and we can help each other out. Well, thanks for listening, and subscribe to the channel, like the video, and see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.